Dudy traveling. Arrivo Mombasa.
Welcome to Mombasa, the city known as the Blue and White City. Its architecture is painted with white and blue. White represents the sand beaches of Mombasa, and the blue represents the waters of the Indian Ocean. Mombasa is located in southeastern Kenya along the Indian Ocean. Mombasa was once the capital of the British East African colony. This is the second largest and busiest city in Kenya, right after the capital, Nairobi. The city is full of history. It also has a lot of resting parks, like the Uhuru Gardens or Mama Ngina. I was also surprised to see a lot of graffiti art. The main gate to the Mombasa city is the Elephant Tusk. These monuments were constructed in 1952 by the British. It was also built to commemorate the visit of Queen Elizabeth II to the city. Old Mombasa is actually on an island, so if you want to go south, you actually have to take a ferry, or you can just enjoy the view from this point. The population of Mombasa is about 1.4 million. This includes the historical center, as well as the ghetto-like Likoni and the residential modern Niali. And if you get hungry, don't worry, there is plenty of street food. Let's get a smoky. Mombasa has a great atmosphere, and it is a home for all the people from across the world. Enjoy the city tour with me. Karibu Mombasa. Welcome to Mombasa, the blue and white city. And take a tour with me through the town. Right now, behind me, there is the Mombasa Tusk. We will continue to the markets, through the blue and white streets. I will take you through the old town, to the Fort Jesus, as well. I will show you the new part of the town. The town that was called Kisiwacha Muvita, which means the land of war. This is the oldest city in Kenya and the second biggest. So come with me and take a tour, and we'll see it. So this is the Mapemba Ndovu. So Ndovu, or an elephant, is a very important animal for the African culture. Even if you look at his right ear, it looks like the map of Africa, right? But let's see from the back. If here is the head, what is there? Maybe there is the back of the. So say bye to the elephant, and we are going to the park. Now it's Sunday, so there will be a lot of people. Mombasa has nice parks also, which is rare in Africa. But let's visit this one. Wow, very beautiful. It's very rare in African cities to find it a shame that there hasn't been much maintenance lately. It looks like a beautiful fountain. You can even see Madagascar, Kenya, right here. The other famous city, the capital, is Nairobi. Right next to is Uganda and Tanzania. Imagine the fountain working. Here a little lake. I think there were some jets here. Maybe there was something also surrounding the map of Africa in the beautiful park. It's actually very comfortable inside because of the green. It's not so hot. It's a really nice chilling and resting place. They're big. They're everywhere. Wow. Look, this one was opening the wings. The tree is completely covered. Let's have a look at the mosque. It's just on the other side from the Uhuru Park, from the Uhuru Gardens. We will now go back, but let me first tell you about the religion. In Mombasa, 37% of the people are Muslim. You see a lot of mosques around, but also you hear a lot of Christian prayers. There is about 56% of the population is Christian. So let's go back to the Uhuru Gardens and we continue on the Moi Avenue to the Old Town. The beautiful architecture of Mombasa, the white and blue city. Do you know why the city is blue and white? The government has decided to make it officially in 2018, but the colors have some meaning. The blue represents, of course, as in many cultures, the water, the amazing blue water of the Indian Ocean, and the white represents the beaches. Mombasa on the coast has so many beautiful white beaches. Approaching the center, and look at here, this building. It seems it's a Castle Royal Hotel. Look at Look at the beautiful architecture, the colonial architecture, blue, white. It looks amazing. So look at the beautiful hotel. There is a factory, seems like a factory. The city house. On the other side there is some Jubilee building. Very beautiful buildings. The city was founded in 10th century and it has a big Arab as well as European influence. We are in the city center where the Moi Avenue meets the Nyerere Street. Here you can see some administrative buildings. I think this Kenya Power is like the electricity company. I will try to find out what is this building. Here there is a church. As I explained to you, there is a mixture between Muslim and Christians in Mombasa, and we will continue. So the building is called Mombasa Trade Center. Right next to it, there is Social Security House. Do you remember I showed you in Dar es Salaam this public service social security fund? So this is the Kenyan brother of it. Here you can see more of the buildings, Kenya National Bank, and this way we will get to the Fort Jesus, which was the beginning of the city. It's the place where the whole city started. So let's continue. See all the trees, like Mombasa has a lot of trees. You would not expect it, but it's very important because without the trees, the city would be even more hot. I think you must be bored about the buildings, but look at this one. Like it's so beautiful, the Oriental building. It's amazing. I need to find out what's inside. But look at all the columns. It's like this Turkish architecture, something maybe Arab combined with the European architecture. I need to find out. There it says there is a Guardian Bank. On the Moy Street, there's so many banks and a lot of shops, a lot of like offices. I haven't seen, like I really need to buy some water. It's so hot, but I just needed to stop and admire this amazing building. Anyways, they are so beautiful. Anyways, let's continue. There are a couple of government buildings, the office of the government. I wanted to show you this building. Look at the columns, like it's blue and white, and the colors is in the Kenyan flag. The colors of the beauty county commission of Mombasa. Let's proceed to the Fort Jesus. down. Do you think you can even swing on it? Welcome to Fort Jesus. This is the main site of Mombasa. This is a national heritage. And this, what was this?
Portuguese anchor from the boat.
Anchor.
It was so big,
Wow.
but it's right. Every day it's spinning.
Oh.
Every day it's spinning. Every day
It's so
spinning.
heavy.
One day it will be empty.
Oh, it's always shrinking.
It's big.
Oh,
But you know, Mombasa, because of the sea salt,
yes.
many
yes.
cars finish.
The things,
They
yeah.
don't fly in step by step.
Mm-hmm,
The Lonely Planet, I'm the one I show him everything here. 1989.
Oh,
The
nice.
Lonely Planet, the book,
You
and the
can
rough
be-
guide.
Uh-huh. There's a,
Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda.
there's a nice park from down there.